Hi there, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows Movie Maker in Windows 10. Hope you find this guide useful. If you do, please help me out by subscribing to my channel. Okay, Movie Maker was a nice application that you could use to edit videos. Used to be quite easy to install it in Windows, but in Windows 10 it's a little bit harder. So if we click on the Start menu and type in Movie Maker, we can see it's obviously not installed, the application's not popped up. So down here, if we click on Movie Maker download, it's going to do an internet search, and you can see that it's not quite clear where you can download it from because it's a Microsoft application, but there are actually no Microsoft links here. The Microsoft link that does pop up, this one, it's not very helpful at all. It's basically saying that Windows Movie Maker was part of Windows Essential 2012 and it's now reached an end of life and basically you can't download it anymore. But there is an easy way to install it. So if you left click on the start menu and type in store and go into the Microsoft Store, and then in here if you type in Movie Maker in the search box and click search, so Movie Maker is here. The icon is completely different to what I remember before, so they've done a good job of hiding the application. So if you just click on it and then click get and then follow the prompts to install it, it'll install in your machine. Okay, if you have any problems, post it in a comment below and I'll help you out. But thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.